Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to continue again. Yeah. So next, my presentation is regarding the operation and also the translation. Okay. After we know about two function, yeah, in the previous we know about the linear function. In the second one also quadratic function. So from this function, this is actually for the general function. We would like to making the translation of the graph. The second one is how we can make the operation of the function. The first one regarding the translation. What the meaning of the translation? Translation means that you can also move the graph from the reference graph, yeah. From the reference graph, you can move up, move down, move to the left, move to the right. What the meaning of the moving? So means that here, for example, in here, if we have this one, for example, if we have y equal x, so we can draw this graph, for example. So the graph should be like this: when 0, then 0, and also when the condition 1 is 1, 2 will be 2, and minus 1, and others. So it should be like this, for example. So this is the graph of y equal x. Next is, how about if for this condition y is equal fx plus c? For example, I have this one, for example, y axon, yeah, y axon, yeah, y prime should be equal x plus 1, for example. So what the meaning from here? So the meaning of here, the translation should be move up, yeah, move up with the one value in here. It means then move 1, go to the up 1. So it should be like this. This is 0, 0. So in here should be, for example, in here means that 0, 1, 0, 1. Then this is should be as the y axon, yeah. So should be parallel with this one, and here should be y prime. Okay, so this is when the condition if you add the positive constant to the fx. Next, how about if you making the subtraction? If you making the subtraction, yeah, if you making the subtraction, so means that you have to move down, yeah, go to down with this condition, with the c, yeah. Means that if we have this one, for example, in the next I have, for example, this one y double prime, for example, like in here I choose this one, y double prime equal x minus 1. We know about this one, y equal x in here, so means that y double prime is x minus 1. So you go to move down. In here should be 0 minus 1. So should be the line should be parallel with this one, yeah, should be parallel in here. So in here should be y prime. In here x plus 1, and in here is x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. So same with this one, for example, in here, okay, in here you have this one. In here you have the reference graph is y equal x square. Then y prime should be x square plus 2. So it means that you have to move up by 2. Move up by 2. 1, 2. So this is should be y prime, y x square plus 2. And also when the condition like this, y equal x square minus 2, y equal x square minus 2. So it means that you have to move down, yeah, by 2. 1, 2. Move down in here. Okay, this is when the condition add a positive constant c to fx. Okay, and this is the subtraction. I divided by 2. So in here we add the positive constant not in the fx, not in the y, but in the x, and also subtract the positive constant from the x, not from the fx or not from in the y. So if this condition, so you have to move down, move left and also move right. For example, this is at the positive constant. What the example, for example, is this one. I have this one, y equal x square, or out like this. I'm sorry, I will revise first. The first one I will revise first. Y equal fx, yeah, y equal fx when the condition fx is x square. So we know in here, we know this one. Next is, if you have this one, if we have the y prime, we add positive from x. We add positive from x, means that this one f x, for example, plus 2. Since we have the fx is equal x square, so means fx plus 2 should be like this, x plus 2 square. So the graph of y prime in here should be move to the left by 2. Move to this is 0, move by 2, 1, 2 should be here. So this is should be the y prime with the condition x plus 2 square, or we can also making the augmentation in here, x square plus 4x plus 4. So this is the graph of here, yeah, the graph of x plus 2 square. Next, how about, for example, y, this is about the subtraction, y double prime. We have this one, for example, f, we make the subtraction, x minus 2, for example, x minus 2. So we have this one, x minus 2 square. If the minus means that you have to move to the right, move to the right by 2, 1, 1, 2, move to the 2. So means that in here is the reference y equal x square in the y double prime should be this one, move to the right by 2, 1, 2. Okay, so means that if we have this one, y double prime equal x square minus 4x plus 4, then we can draw this graph. Okay, so means that we can define this graph. So using translation, you know about the reference, yeah, this is the reference, y equal x square, so you can move up and also move down. Okay, so we can conclude this conclusion. If you add the positive in the y from the y or fx, so will be move up or move down. If you add and also subtract from the x, so you have to move left or move right. Okay, for example, sketch the graph of fx this one. How you can define this one? How you can define the graph? As mentioned before, so means that the reference graph should be this one. Should be this one. So means that you have to making like this, x minus or minus something, positive something, should be making this one. So the possibility, because this is minus 4x, so the possibility should be minus 2. Why? Because I'm sorry, this is square, x minus 2 square plus something in here. So if you making this one is because this is 4x, as we know that if we have this one, x plus a square should be equal x square plus 2ax plus a square. If minus x minus a square should be equal x square minus 2ax plus a square. So to get 4x in here, so the possibility is 2a equal 4, then means that 2. So in here we will have this one, x square minus 4x plus 4. Since this one is 5, so we need plus 1. So in here x square minus 4x plus 4 will be equal this one, and also we put here. Okay, so means that our conclusion, fx is equal x minus 2 square plus 1. Okay, what the meaning? Yeah, what the meaning? So we will get this one, x minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 4. So we have this one, x minus square. So in here, what the meaning of here? The meaning here is we add, we subtract we subtract with the constancy, constancy from x. What the meaning? So we have to move right. This is move to the right. Move to the right by 2. And here, what the meaning here? Since this is we add this one, this is add for the fx. So this is what the meaning, move, move up by 1. So let we solve 1 by 1. So we shift to unit to the right. So this one, we have the fx in here, y equal fx, y equal x square in here. Since we have this one, x minus 2 square, we shift, we shift to unit, move to the right. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, here, next one. In the next is, we would like to this one, plus 1 in here, means that move up. Next, we shift, 1 unit upward. When the condition x square, because this one, plus 1, Here, x square, x minus 2 square. Then, is plus 1, so we have this one. Y equal x square, plus 1 should be shift to the 1, shift by 1 unit upward. Okay, here how to define this one. Okay, for this is the next is, this is how you can make the translation using the function. Okay, in the next is we already defined. The first one is linear function, the second one is quadratic function. We continue after the translation. We continue how to the other function. The other function in the third function is, we call this one function defined by piece of wise. The first one, so the notation should be this one, fx. There is the many function in here with the sum region. For example, sketch the graph of this one. Fx equal x quadrat from the x less than equal 0. And also when the condition from 0 until 1, there is no equal in here, and also there is no equal in here, from 0 until 1. And also 2 plus x square equal x bigger than 1. So we divide it by 3 region, less than equal 0, from 0 until 1, bigger than equal 1. Okay, For example, the first region x for x less than equal 0, and also the second region from the 0 until 1 should be straight line, and also for the fx bigger than equal 1 should be 2 plus x square. X square in here parabol, yeah. What the meaning? Because this is quadratic function. Here also quadratic function, so making the parabol, and from the 0 until 1 should be straight line. Why? Because this one power 1. Because this one, okay, because the f to x, yeah, equal x. Okay, for this first one from 0, yeah, less than 0 until 0 should be x square. So this is the graph of y equal x square until the 0 here. This is full of bullet. The second function f to x should be equal x, so the picture should be this one. Actually fx should be like this, for example, something like that. But because this is we focusing from the 0 until 1, so from 0 until 1, so means that we erase this one. Okay, so the picture should be like this. Y in here not filled circle, but in here is empty circle. Why? Because as I mentioned before, because this is there is no equal in here. So there is no equal, so means that in here should be empty circle. And the last one, the third function 2 plus x square from the 1. So when the condition f1 should be, the result should be equal 2 plus 1 square should be equal 3. And also the parabol also. So the parabol in the next is should be here. So this is should be filled circle, yeah, should be filled circle, but should be like this, and then you continue as the parabol, should be like that. This is should be 3, maybe in here, yeah, should be 3, and this is should be parabol. In the next, after we define the elementary function, also there is the others function, yeah. The other function in here, we call this one is polynomial function. What the definition of the polynomial function? If the function defined by the sum variable with the sum power. In here, with the power of n can be 3, 4, and others number. Should be defined by each number of the real number. Yeah, this is the polynomial function. And also we call the rational function if the px is the polynomial and qx polynomial. This is what the characteristic of the rational. There is this one. There is the dividing sign. Yeah, dividing sign means this one, because this one px over qx means that the qx cannot be 0. Yeah, cannot be 0. Why? Because if the qx equals 0, so the result should be undefined. Okay, the rational is defined for each number except the 0 of the qx. Okay, for example, this one. This is the polynomial function. X squared plus 1 is polynomial with the maximum power is 2. We call this one polynomial function also. We can also call this one is quadratic function. Means that the quadratic function should be inside of the polynomial function. And in the below there is x squared minus 4. So this is will be defined, yeah, except, yeah, when the condition x equal to and also x minus 2. Yeah, because when the condition x equal to, this is should be 0, so undefined. X equal minus 2 also, this is will be 0, so will be undefined. Okay, so the domain should be all the real number except 2 and minus 2. Next one is even and odd function. Even and odd function, there is the characteristic of the odd function. Odd function means that if this one f minus x equal minus fx. For example, I have this one. I have the fx is equal x squared. If we change with this one, f minus x What the meaning? The meaning should be minus x the power by 3. So what the result? Yeah. So we will get the result. What the meaning? The meaning is minus 1 power 3 times x power 3. What the meaning? Minus 1 times x power 3. Then equal minus x power 3. Since x power 3 is equal fx, so we can conclude that minus fx. Since f of the minus x equal minus fx, so we call this one is odd function. Okay, we call this one odd function. Next one, how about the even function? Even function means that if you have this one, f minus x equal fx, for example x squared. Same with the previous one, so we will make this one f minus x. Then we will get the result minus x squared. So what the meaning? Minus 1 squared times x squared. Minus 1 squared should be 1 and also x squared. So means that 1 times x squared equal x squared. And x squared is equal this one fx. Okay. Since f of minus x equal fx, so we call this one is even function. Okay, we call this one is even function. This is regarding odd and even function. Next is, this is we call the periodic function. What the meaning of the periodic function? The function fx should be called the periodic if this condition. Fx plus p should be fx. So means that if you have this one, for example, this one, for example, sinus x, yeah, sinus x, the picture should be like this, should be like this. So when the condition fx plus p equal fx, so this is will be periodic at 2p. When the condition this one, fx to p should be sin x plus 2p. Please remember, sin a plus b, yeah, sin a plus b should be equal sin a times cos b plus cos a times sin b. So means that sin x times cos 2p plus cos x times sin 2p. Cos 2p equal 1, sin 2p equal 0. Yeah, 1 times sin x should be sin x, cos x times 0 should be 0. Then the result is equal sin x. So means that sin fx, sin x to p should be equal sin x. Since x equal fx, so fx to p equal fx. So this is should be we call periodic function and in the 2p, and this is should be the graph. Okay, this is the greatest integer function, or we call this one the floor function. We denote the greatest integer that less than or equal to x. For example, fx in here less than, so making the integer. This is will be down, yeah, of x, for example. For example, if I have this one, so this is the picture of the greatest integer function. 5.9 should be equal 5 because we find the smallest integer. The smallest integer of the 5.9 should be 5, so it should be this one. Yeah, from the 5.9, for example, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.9 in here. So will be 5.9 from here. Yeah, so this one should be equal 5, should be like making the floor function in here. 1 should be equal 1, and also how about this one? minus 2.6 should be equal minus 3. Minus 0.6 should be equal minus 1. Why? Because we find the smallest integer. The smallest integer of this one 5. This is the smallest should be 1, and this is the smallest should be minus 3. Okay. Next, this is already mentioned in the previous. There is the absolute function. The absolute function. So making the what the meaning will be equal x when the condition x bigger than equal 0, minus x with the condition x less than equal 0. So for example, so we can draw this picture should be like this. So this is the absolute value function. So this is, for example, this is the sinus, cosinus, tangen, cotangen, and also absolute sine. This is the linear function of x, quadratic function of x square, and this is if the two variables should be the circle, and also this is the should be as the root square of x, the half of the parabol, yeah, and also this is the half of parabol also 1 over x should be like this, and also yeah, there is many things, yeah, many things this one. Okay, in the next my presentation I will continue about the operation of function. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.